Hello folks, John here again. Today we're talking shoe racks, and what you want to do is get it laid out in front of you, and just so you know, these pieces can mix and match on either side. We're going to try this one this way. So what you're going to do is put the pieces down flat, and then we will start by the smaller end here, and this will be the bottom. So we're going to just slide this right in. And we want to continue with the same side first. Slides right on. Sometimes they're a little tight. And we go to this side. We get kind of lined up. And just need to get everything lined up correct. Kind of just shimmy it in. And voila, you have a fully functional shoe rack.